Hi guys, sa channel na ito ay nag-share tayo ng mga work from home job for all the mommies or nasa bahay at gustong kumita while stay at home. So not just for a mother but for everyone na gustong magtrabaho online. So dito pala ay mamibigay tayo ng 50 GCash sa subscribe at magko-comment sa atin, and please pakitingnan na lang din ang aking Facebook page, and then you can message me. Mamimili po. Hi guys, for today's video ay pag-uusapan natin itong donuts jobs. Donut jobs. So, not donut, okay, donut jobs. So ito ay most of the job here is remote, and then entry-level chatter. Pag-usapan natin ito kasi urgent hiring po sila, Lux Agency, Cyprus. So never done this before, perfect. We're not looking for experience, we're looking for attitude. Yun yung hinahanap nila. They're looking for attitude. Kasi minsan hinahanap natin yung may experience, pero ano lang talaga yung company na naghahanap ng una-una talaga yung attitude. Okay, $3 ang yung offer nila dito per hour, and then 2% revenue, and then 40 hour per week. Ayan. So next is full-time charter for German model accounts with translator, remote and Manila office. So Cyprus pa rin yung Lux Agency. This is your shot. We're scaling fast and need driven people who wants to grow with us. We will manage. So, hindi na natin babasahin yan. $3 pa rin yung offer nila per hour, 40 weeks, creator hero. And then, next is full-time charter German model accounts. Dito, nangangailangan sila ng experience. Experience lang yung kailangan nila. Experience only. So, we're expanding our team and are exclusively looking for candidates with prior experience in fun. So $3 per hour. Most of jobs here is $3 talaga. So dito madami pa silang mga jobs kung mag-scroll down ka. Yun yung madami silang work na ino-offer dito. How it works? Ano ba natin dito? Ito yung mga yung mga country na kung saan yung mga talent nila galing. Okay? So, Asia, nangunguna talaga yung Philippines, next ang Vietnam, and then Thailand, Nepal, Sri Lanka. Pagkatapos is Europe, German, Romania, France, Spain, and then Africa. So, Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa, and then Latam, Mexico, Colombia, Brazil, and United States. And then, meron sila ditong agency plan and pro plan. Start agency and start with pro. Punta tayo sa pricing. Ito. So, ito yung makikita mo sa profile mo once nakapag-create ka na dito ng account mo. Ito yung makikita mo. So, most of, hindi siya masyadong mataas yung offer, pero, guys, kahit ganito lang, guys, per hour yan, guys. At saka, virtual assistant, halos lahat dito. Na may sila, virtual assistant, chatting, social media, inflow, in, English communication, chatting, social media marketing, ano pa, grabe talaga itong Philippines, guys, kahit saan lupalop ng mundo, may mga trabaho talaga nakalaan para sa mga Pilipino. Ito yung makikita mo, guys. Okay, ayan. Okay, dito naman makikita natin na medyo mataas-taas na yung rate na ino-offer nila, $8. And so nakadepende kasi yung sa skills na ino-offer mo, sa job na ino-offer mo. Of course, katulad ng mga video editing, ano pa yung mga mahihirap na mga trabaho is halos lahat is pataas ng pataas yung offer nila. Ayan. And then puwede ka ring humanap ng job dito. Dito search mo dito yung job na ano yung ano mo, kaya mo. Like kung kaya mong, um, social media, lalabas na, sorry guys. So, yun lang guys, yun lang yung mashi-share ko as of now. And please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel. Thank you.